This caprese pasta is easy to make, simple and few ingredients. You can have it ready in less than 30 minutes. And did I mention, it is delicious. I'm Tess, and welcome to my kitchen. This caprese pasta recipe is one of my go-to quick meals. You can use spaghetti, linguine, or fettuccine. I'm cooking the pasta according to the package instructions, and that is usually around 8 to 9 minutes, and that will give me enough time to get the sauce ready. In my pan on medium heat, I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons of good extra virgin olive oil. The oil will help flavor the pasta, so pick a good quality brand. Also adding in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Letting that melt, and then I'm adding in 1 cup of finely diced onion, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and a pinch of salt. Cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes or until the onions start to break down. This is 4 large ripe plum tomatoes, or about 1.5 cups. These tomatoes will cook down and help form a nice rich sauce. Sprinkling with a little more salt and black pepper. I have 4 to 5 sprigs of fresh thyme and 3 sprigs of fresh oregano. If you don't have fresh herbs, you can use a 1/4 teaspoon of dried spices of each. Cooking and stirring and letting that simmer for 5 to 7 minutes or until the tomatoes cook down. The pasta is ready, and I'm adding it right into the pan. Here's what I love, a good handful of fresh basil, or about 1 cup. The more the merrier. Adding a quick drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, about a 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese, or whatever cheese you like, and about a 1/4 cup of the pasta water. The cheese and pasta water will help bring everything together, giving everything a good toss. Once everything is well combined, I'm adding in 8 ounces of small fresh mozzarella cheese balls. Turning off the heat, and one last toss. You can cut the cheese balls in half, but I just leave them whole. With a few good quality ingredients, you can make an impressive, quick, and delicious meal. Serve with a side salad and a glass of wine if you wish, and you have a fantastic meal. I hope you give this caprese pasta recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!